I guess we might as well go with it.
Yeah, let's go with it. Let's do it up.
This app I'm reviewing is called StartTalking. In that StartTalking adds in one word.
Not like the movie Look Who's Talking.
No.
It was a good movie.
Oh dear God, no. How many sperm jokes can you fit into one movie? You know?
I don't know.
They certainly tried to push the envelope. In a bad way, maybe.
Yes.
So this app, it basically lets you control your Android phone using only your voice, which might not sound like a novel thing because there's a bunch of other voice control apps out or voice texting apps. But this is different in that it actually will listen in the background for a key activator word like the operator word that we are kicking around to.
Operator.
Yeah, don't do you keep doing that.
Everybody's going to do that when you have your app.
Especially my 9-year-old. He's going to think that's funny. But it's different from these other apps like Google's voice app because it just completely responds to your voice to activate. You don't even have to look at it to press a button to start the voice command. So the app is cool in that it lets you say the name of the phone, to start the command, then speak what you want it to do, like write a text message, find out what time it is, or call somebody, and then it will then read it back to you to make sure this is what you want to do. You hit send, and it goes out. You never even had to look at your phone. And then when you get text messages in, it will actually read you the text message. And it shows like a little, what would you call it? It's like chat bubbles or something. It's a log is what it is, along the right side of what's been happening. And
you can clear that out too, right?
Yes.
Operator, clear log.
I did not understand that.
Of course you didn't. Never mind.
I think you have to go to, maybe that is. Operator, clear log.
The conversation log has been cleared.
There you go. Maybe it's getting used to my voice. That's what we'll call it.
Mm-hmm.
But you set up when you first start this app, you tell it what contacts you want to be able to send text messages to, and that's it's less impressive than if it would just do it on its own. But I don't know, it still is pretty cool. Because basically then it has just a short list of people to work from, instead of actually trying to do real voice recognition. So once you select people or whatever, they show right up on this enabled list of people. And supposedly you can send them text messages and everything. Inside the app, right on the main window, there's two different options at the beginning. One's listen, and the other one is announce. And the listen, of course, is to listen in for commands, and announce is the option to read text messages, etc. back to you. So it's pretty interesting. Simple interface. Most of your interaction with the app is going to be using voice.
Right.
So I mean, the more Spartan the interface, the probably the better if you're driving.
Totally.
So again, you've seen some of the weird stuff. It does kind of mess up. It's not quite there. But this is honestly they've come right out and said an open public beta. So it's not going to be perfect for what they want it to do yet. But it is getting there, and it's a pretty impressive start, I'd say.
What do you think one of the coolest things that it does? What's one of the coolest features that you can do?
Well, I like the idea that it reads the text messages back to you.
Yeah.
And you don't even have to be inside the app. You just have the app activated in the background running, and it'll go ahead and do that. But then again, at the same time, it doesn't support Google Voice. So it's just the built-in app or Chomp SMS it supports too, which is that's a more popular third-party SMS app.
Mm-hmm.
So it's, I mean, what I'm guess most excited about is I can see where this is creating a great foundation for when they leave this beta stage.
Yeah.
That it's going to be an excellent app. So but the foundation is there.
Yeah.
It's definitely solid. And if you're interested in just trying it out to see where the future really of texting while driving is going.
Oh boy. Operator!
This is good. Cancel.
It's too bad that it can't like derive like meaning from your tone. Like,
Yeah.
operator, shut up. Does it do anything that way?
Well, the mic is pointed out, and I don't have the you can turn the sensitivity up if you want.
Yeah.
But I didn't. I was trying to get it to ignore you.
I see.
But this is free. You
Free.
can find it in the market right now.
That's cool.
So
That's
pretty
pretty sweet.
pretty exciting app.
It's well worth the free
The free
price.
price tag.
Yeah.